How to fix if this person is unavailable on Messenger but is not blocked problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. Log into your account, then click on the chat that you have problem in. Hold on and then press on restrict. Click on restrict and then you'll find 3 lines on top left corner of your screen. Click on settings. After that, scroll down to privacy and safety. In here, you'll find restricted account below message delivery. Click on restricted account. Click on the chat unrestrict and you'll find message box. From here, you can send message, and this is how to fix if person is unavailable on Messenger but is not problem shows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.